Have you ever wondered why some businesses feels busy every day, yet the owner is always broke? You see customers coming in, you see products selling, so you assume the owner is making money. But here's the truth: sales do not mean profit. Many businesses generate revenue every week, yet they struggle to pay bills, expand, or even survive. Today, we're going to explore the real reason why small businesses fail to make profit, and most importantly, how you can avoid making such mistake.
Are you a business owner or a marketer and you're looking for a place to improve your business skills or ability? Then you are on the right channel. Hi, my name is Mirabel. I'm welcoming you to Glittarz TV. Don't forget to like, share, turn on the notification bell. So whenever we post a subsequent video, you'll be able to get notified. Bye!
Hello everyone, if you're a business owner, an aspiring entrepreneur, or someone planning to start a business someday, this topic is for you. One of the biggest misconceptions in entrepreneurship is believing that once people start buying from you, you're automatically making money. That's not true. Profit is what remains after you have paid all your business expenses, and many entrepreneurs do not understand the difference until it's too late. So let's look into some of the biggest reasons why small entrepreneurs struggle to make profits. 1. Poor pricing strategy. The first reason is poor pricing. Many entrepreneurs are afraid of charging what their business actually worth. Why? Because they are scared customers will say it's too expensive. So they reduce their prices just to compete. Imagine you are buying a pair of shoes of 20,000. You spend money on packaging, delivery, transportation, internet, and customer communication. If you sell that shoe 22,000 because you don't want customer to complain, your profit becomes very small. After paying every expenses, you may discover you hardly earn anything. Many business owners, small business owners, confuse cheap pricing with attracting customers. But customers don't only buy because something is cheap. They buy because they trust the quality, the service, and the value they receive. Instead of competing by lowering your prices, compete by increasing your value. Offer excellent customer service, package your products well, respond professionally, build trust. People are willing to pay more when they believe they are getting something worthwhile. 2. Not keeping financial record. The second reason is poor record keeping. This is one mistake that quietly destroys many businesses. Some business owners do not write down their sales. They don't track expenses, they don't calculate profits, everything stays in their head. At the end of the month, they don't know whether they actually made money or lost. Imagine driving a car without looking at the dashboard. You won't even know your speed. You won't even know your fuel level. You won't even know when something is wrong. That's exactly how running a business without record keeping looks like. Every entrepreneur should record daily sales, business expenses, profits, and customers' information. This simple record help you make smarter decisions and identify where your money is going to. The third one is mixing business money with personal money. Another major reason why businesses struggle is because owners mix business money with personal money. A customer pays today, immediately the money is spent on transport. Tomorrow it's used to buy clothes. The next day it's used to buy food. Before long, the business has no money to restock products. Business owners should first serve the business. As the owner, you should pay yourself from the profits, not from any money that enters the business. When you separate your personal finances from your business finances, your business becomes more healthy and sustainable. 4. Lack of marketing and visibility. Another reason businesses don't make profit is because not enough people know that they exist. Some entrepreneurs post once every 2 weeks. Some only advertise when sales are poor. Others expect customers to magically find them. Unfortunately, that's not how business works. If people don't know that your business exists, they cannot buy from you. Marketing should be consistent. Use social media, create helpful content, show customer reviews, share behind the scene moments, educate people about your product. The businesses people remember are often the ones they see consistently. Visibility creates familiarity. Familiarity builds trust, and trust leads to sales. 5. Focusing only on new customers. Many businesses chase new customers while forgetting those who have already bought from them. Keeping an existing customer is actually cheaper and easier than finding a new one. Imagine someone buys from you today. After the purchase, you never check up on them, you never thank them, you never inform them about new products. Eventually, they forget about your business. Simple follow-up can make a huge difference. Ask if they are satisfied. Notify them when you have new arrivals or promotion. Loyal customers often become repeat buyers and even recommend your business to others. In conclusion, making sales is important, but making profit is what keeps a business alive. Many small business struggle not because they have bad products, but because they make avoidable mistakes. They price incorrectly, they fail to keep record, they mix business and personal money, they neglect marketing, they forget to build lasting relationships with customers. The good news is that every one of these problems can be fixed. You don't have to own a big company before managing your business professionally. Start with what you have, keep learning, stay consistent. Remember, a successful business isn't measured by how busy it looks. It's measured by how profitable and sustainable it can become over time. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for a community where you can meet, learn, interact with fellow entrepreneurs, I encourage you to join Glittarz Business Community, where entrepreneurship meets opportunity. Feel free to scan the QR code displayed on your screen or click the link in the bio to start your amazing journey with us. If you're looking for a reliable solar solution for your home or business,
nwanne chifuo dị egwu atọ down. Ndị Glittarz Solar Solution ewetara anyị portable solar battery. Nwanne watch all this thing engine aka kwefu na ọ dị very simple to carry. Ụta ka ọ dị very portable. Nwanne ihe a kịta now dị good for your homes, ọ dị good for your business premises, ọ dị good for offices. Ihe ị nidere ị ga ebe ahụ ị na-akwụnye generator. Nwanne were that your generator socket kwegara m ebe a. Just ga ekwenye ebe ọ da ufum. Yete mean ekwenye ọka ebe na be gị nwanne. Ọwụ na somebody na-like ike egwu ịga gym gị na-aka egwu. Ihe a nwere bluetooth port maka ndị na-like ịga gym na-agba egwu na-agalava nte mana emekwala ihe arụ ala. Werekwe ebe bluetooth port a ji kọkwara m egwu yete mmiri. Ọ bụkwa na mebi na ihe ọma dị gị mma but ijicha ha ego eji ha ego complete. Ihe ị ga-eme bụ kpọrọ m nọmba dị na the screen nwanne. Ha ga-negotiate how you make an installment payment. Ọ bụ na ịchọkwa full house installation. Ọ bụ na ịchọ ka ha were solar mirror your house ahụ nwanne contact kwa nọmba nọ na the screen. Ha ga-enye gị full solar installation na your house nwanne yete mmiri. Nwanne ka ọ dị.
you will get an amazing discount when you purchase Glittarz Solar with my promo code ChettyGTV. Use the link in the bio when making your purchase. Thank you.
Brought to you by Glittarz TV, where smart minds learn how to sell anywhere and anytime. Your comments will help push this video to more audience that needs it. Like and subscribe too. See you in the next episode. Bye.